Here's my attempt to make a weathered sign. So looky what I got cooking. You know those signposts off of like the Elder Scrolls, Elder Scrolls? This is kind of my attempt. I needed a sign for the animal swap, and this is what I came up with. And I cut the signs out of some large tamaracks. Kind of made a pistol grip the kids were playing with. Check this out. Using a piece of charcoal. This is what I came up with. So, I took the charcoal and wiped it over the whole board and then wiped it off with my hand. Kind of gave it a cool smoky look. Tried to wipe it in, rub it in a little bit, and then I polyurethaned it to seal it. It's a little dirty, but it gives it a really cool weathered smoky look. Now we just got to see how it's going to finish out. But I think that's pretty cool. I think it's going to turn out nicely. I'm putting a coat of polyurethane on here so that when I put my letters on, it doesn't smear the charcoal over the lettering. It'd probably give it a smoky look, but we're going to see how this turns out. And here's what I came up with. Yeah, the wife's been asking for this for probably about 5 years now. I got a few lag bolts holding the signs in. I got a cedar wrapping around the post. And then I polyurethane the signs and the base. What do you think?